Kani kediga Batisi TV, mat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Ka Consultative Committee balakli daw Menteri Jongkatanat Penroisor uba Hamletson Doling haga arpo praterik benai nailar arjar arpo kala IT yaka kaipot syaka High Level Committee balatung da Sorkar Jela yaka balakli daw sembut Menteri Rangba ke Jela uba Presiden Tensong banwat yaki lat kelenti naga benta ban penken riakno yaki briu ki basyong basa hatem yo maulong hadien bagi pait ba nong syong jongkadong ba silong kila dawateng yaka Sorkar Jela baka dai ban penken riak no mardor yaki briu nagani ke jaka. Usembut Menteri Rangba Jong Jela uba Presiden Tensong habaya keren bat kilat patai kubor ulai tho uba ka High Level Committee kan sa syong biang sa sisien yaka jingyalang syuaban shim yaka rai ka bakhatdo hakaba kan sa IT pat yaka kaipot syaka Sorkar Jela.
The report from Consultative Committee headed by the Honorable Urban Affairs Minister, we received the report, and then now more or less the issues that we discussed from one meeting to another meeting is almost reached to a final stage. So hopefully maybe in the next meeting again we'll be able to finalize everything and then submit the report to the government for necessary action. One more meeting will be there by the HLC, and then we will compile everything, the report, and then we will send to the state government for necessary action. See, I don't, let me prepare it. I don't think I can tell you wherever we have a meeting, because internal issues are there, we discuss, I can't just tell you everything. So you please be patient, wait for one more meeting, I will tell you everything, what is the decision taken, and then what is the report to be submitted to the government.
So can we say after the next meeting the HLC will submit its recommendation to the
Yes,
state government?
Yes, you can say that. In the next meeting, I think we'll be able to submit a detailed report to the state government.
When are we expecting the next meeting, sir?
As early as possible. As early as possible.